Too many sponges look interchangeable. Start with Skura Style for flexible everyday washing. Switch when shape, scrubbing force, or materials matter more. Choose by surface, scrub strength, shape, and replacement cost. For most kitchens, choose Skura Style Skrubby Sponges 4-pack. The soft foam handles glassware and narrow cups, while the firmer side tackles routine residue and bakeware corners. That range makes it an easy everyday default. But it costs considerably more than basic cellulose sponges, and it's printed where Q may disappear while useful scrubbing remains. Skip it if keeping each replacement as cheap as possible matters most. For busy sinks, Scrub Daddy suits frequent dish duty. Its foam feels firmer in cooler water for stubborn residue and becomes more flexible with warmer water for lighter work. It handles cookware and everyday plates without needing separate scrubbers. The thick circular body can feel bulky, especially when new, and it misses square corners more easily. Skip it if you want a slim rectangle that stores neatly in a standard caddy. For inexpensive heavy scrubbing, choose Scotch-Brite heavy-duty scrub sponges. The aggressive side works through grime on sturdy cookware, oven racks, and stove grates, so it earns a place beyond routine dishes. But the cellulose body can collect debris, deform, and become stiff after drying. Rinse and wring it thoroughly after use. Skip it for non-stick, aluminum, enamel, glassware, or anything needing a softer touch. For a plastic-free choice, Public Goods scrubber sponges fit routine washing. Cellulose and coconut create a double-sided sponge for everyday dishes, glass, aluminum, and non-stick cookware. It's the material's first option, not the fastest heavy scrubber. Baked-on residue may need soaking and extra effort, while the fibers can fray and the cellulose may stain early. Skip it if maximum lifespan or quick work on stubborn messes matters more. Quick split. Skura Style for everyday range, Scrub Daddy for frequent loads, Scotch-Brite for cheap, aggressive scrubbing, and Public Goods when plastic-free materials lead the decision. Before buying, check your cookware finishes, caddy dimensions, typical messes, and replacement habits. Then choose the gentlest scrub strength that handles your routine. Start with Skura Style if you want one flexible daily sponge. Switch for heavier washing, lower-cost abrasion, or plastic-free materials. Match the scrubber to your cookware before chasing toughness. Links are in the description. That's the brief. Fit, trade-offs, and skip if before you buy. Subscribe for the next buying guide.